Salutations, folks. My name is Draconian Essence, and welcome to another video. Today's going to be a really quick one. I wanted to share this really quick with you folks because I just found out about it. Um, I'll literally get right into it. So, I use Brave, and with Brave, you can have multiple tabs. Now, I've noticed on Brave for whatever reason, I don't know when they changed this up and threw a patch out or whatever, but I used to be able to have multiple tabs open, like, Twitch, YouTube, Kick here, other tabs, Amazon. And the video I would be watching or live streams or both, I'd be able to switch to other tabs and then come back to it and it would still be playing. Apparently, with the new update to Brave, I've got an update here, obviously, but as of actually, I can go here. As of right now, version 1.88.134 for Brave. If you have a video playing, like my buddy here, JC Creations, cool guy, go give him a link, or go give him a link, go give him a follow, tell him Draconian Essence sent you. Yeah, cool guy, good content. Anyways, I was having his stream play, and I was on YouTube kind of looking at things and looking at music to play on my streams for the coming streams. And I noticed that when I tabbed back, this, instead of playing like it was, it would be paused. Let me go here real quick. Um, so I'd be going to, YouTube looking for music, and then I'd come back and it would be like this. And it's like, what the heck? So a real quick fix, folks, is to go to the not three dots, but the three little lines, whatever, settings, very bottom, system, and then under memory here where it says always keep these sites active, click add. And then you can either do add sites manually, so you can, type out http dot, oh, I'm not even typing, GG, http ts slash semicolon whatever slash www.google.com. Yeah, and then you can add it if you want, and then yeah, and if you want to get rid of it, you can just click edit or you can remove. So like I said, easy fix. I just did add, and then add current sites. These are the tabs that are already open and up. If you want to add it manually, you can, but there you go, simple fix for you folks. So now I can sit here and let me go here. So I can go to, let's go to kick.com. Bring up that. That's okay. Good. It's already muted. I can go to Twitter. And then I can come back, and it's still playing. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's go do some things. Let's go searching a little bit, and then and it's still playing. This is what I originally liked about Brave, was because I could have multiple tabs open and things continuously playing without it being paused. I don't know why Brave decided to just pause things when you tab out, which is stupid because I'd have to like unpop this, move it here, then come here, and then move this here, and then pop that one out, and then I had to move it. Like, it was just such a pain in the so for me to actually have everything in one browser, section and then just multiple tabs, it makes life a lot easier. So just wanted to show that with you folks. And yeah. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it helped, like the video, share it, all that good stuff. My name is Draconian Essence, and I'll see you folks in the next one. Take care, folks.